In this video, I'll show you how to fix the LinkedIn don't have access to profile problem. If LinkedIn is telling you that you don't have access to your profile, don't worry. This issue usually happens because of a sign-in problem, a password issue, a restricted account, a recovery problem, or sometimes a browser or app error that prevents the account from loading normally. The first thing you should do is carefully read the message on the screen. Sometimes LinkedIn gives a clue about the exact reason. For example, it may ask you to verify your identity, confirm your email, or reset your password. If LinkedIn is requesting identity verification, follow the instructions shown there because that is often the fastest way to restore access. If you think the issue is related to your password, go to the LinkedIn sign-in page and choose Forgot Password. Enter your email address or phone number, then follow the steps to create a new password. After resetting it, try signing in again and check whether your profile opens correctly. If you can't access your old email account, see whether you still have a recovery phone number or backup email linked to your account. That can help you regain access without using the original email. Now, if you can sign in but still can't load your profile, try a basic troubleshooting fix. Clear your browser cache and cookies or switch to another browser. If you're on the app, close it fully and reopen it. You can also update the app to the latest version if it hasn't been updated in a while. It's also a good idea to check your device date and time settings. Incorrect time settings can sometimes cause login or account access issues. And if you think someone else may have gotten into your account, use LinkedIn's account recovery or hacked account support option as soon as possible. So to fix the don't have access to profile problem, check the message, verify your identity, reset your password, recover your login details, clear browser data, update the app, and make sure your account is secure. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.